What if the most powerful healer for your deepest wounds was already inside your head? For years, trauma was treated like a life sentence, something that happens and stays permanently etched in the brain. But modern neuroscience tells a different story. Your brain is not fixed, it is adaptable, and it was built to repair. Trauma is more than a memory. When something overwhelming happens, abuse, loss, violence, neglect, your brain doesn't just store the event. It builds pathways around it, neurons that fire together, wire together. If fear fires repeatedly, the fear circuit strengthens. Over time, that pathway becomes automatic. Hypervigilance, emotional numbness, overreactions to small triggers. This isn't weakness, it's wiring. And wiring can change. Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to form new connections at any age. Every thought, every habit, every repeated response strengthens some circuits and weakens others. Healing isn't about erasing the past. It's about building stronger pathways that override the old ones. On a cellular level, this means forming new synapses, new communication lines between neurons. And brain imaging studies show something powerful. Therapy doesn't just change how you feel, it changes how your brain functions. This isn't motivational, it's biological. The amygdala, your fear center, becomes overactive after trauma. It sounds alarms even when you're safe. The hippocampus, which gives context and time, struggles, making past events feel like they're happening now. The prefrontal cortex, your rational regulator, loses influence. Healing strengthens that prefrontal control. It helps the brain say, that was then, this is now, and the alarm begins to quiet. Mindfulness reduces fear reactivity and strengthens regulation circuits. Therapies like CBT and EMDR help the brain reprocess traumatic memories and form new pathways. Sleep consolidates new learning. Exercise boosts brain growth factors. Nutrition fuels neural repair. You are not your trauma. Trauma shaped your brain. Yes, but your brain was designed to adapt. It is not frozen. It is fluid. It is capable of change. If trauma could rewire it, healing can rewire it too. And the most powerful healer for your deepest wounds has been inside your head all along.